Developing program goals and objectives. The most important element of a successful program is the development of attainable goals and measurable objectives. Goals and objectives are important because they guide program planning and design, communicate to stakeholders, and enable evaluation. The success of your program is dependent upon realistic goals and objectives. Goals state the grand reason for engaging in your public health effort. They are statements of intent. To create goals, ask yourself, in the long run, what effect do I hope to have on this community? What is the overall improvement I want to achieve? Goal statements should be simple and concise. They should include who will be affected and what will change as a result of the program. You should also set your goals with input from your audience. Develop a plan based on the community's needs and concerns rather than on what you think should happen or an agency's agenda. You will be far more likely to achieve change. Remember, goals describe the overall purpose of the program. They describe broad outcomes and concepts regarding what we want to accomplish, and they are expressed in general terms. The following steps will help you develop attainable goals for your program. Step 1. Research the topic. This includes defining the needs of your target population. Step 2. Involve stakeholders. This will help gain commitment from stakeholders for your program. Step 3. Brainstorm possible ideas for goals. Step 4. Select the goals that have priority. Decide on what really matters. Step 5. Limit the program to 2 to 5 goals. Select realistic goals. Objectives are more specific than goals. They state how much of the goal will be accomplished within a certain time frame. They are specific accomplishments or benchmarks that show step-by-step progress toward the goal and specifically state how the goals will be achieved. Most importantly, objectives are measurable. They define what you want to see while encouraging a consistent focus on program functions. There are 3 broad categories of objectives. Process objectives focus on the activities of the program staff rather than on the benefits of the program for the participants. They determine if the program or intervention is implemented as designed. Outcome objectives determine if the program or intervention has the intended effects. It tells us what the long-term implications of the program will be. Impact objectives tell us how you will change attitudes, knowledge, or behavior. Objectives are statements that focus on outcomes. They should follow these SMART rules. An objective should be specific. Be precise about what you are going to achieve by specifying the target and intended outcome. Avoid vague verbs and make sure the objective is linked to the goal. An objective should also be measurable. Quantify the objectives. Use measures as indicators of program success. If possible, establish a baseline. An objective should also be appropriate. Make sure the objective aligns with the needs of the target audience. Meeting the objective will advance the goal. Objectives should also be realistic. Do you have the resources to make the objective happen? Making sure you're adequately resourced and the objective can be achieved is important to stakeholders. Finally, objectives should be time specific. State when you will achieve the objective by providing a time frame indicating when the objective will be met. It is important to maintain a clear connection between your goals and objectives. By maintaining this connection, you are articulating your theory of goal attainment. In the following example, the three objectives directly connect to the goal of fewer youth under age 18 using tobacco products.